In this video, I'll be creating a digital analog model using a MegaGen analog and a Shining3D printer. First, download our digital library from MegaGenDigital.com. For this case, I'm going to download the AnyRidge tie-based library and the AnyRidge RP screw type library, which is our analog library. In Exocad model creator, choose the correct scan body length, 13mm in this case, the tie base or custom abutment you're going to use. I'm going to choose a cement gap of 30, but you can adjust the gap depending on the tolerance. This is what our digital analog looks like. After the design is finished, open the Accuware software. I am currently using the Shining3D and DM12 resin. Mode is the layer thickness, and I am going to change that to 0.1 because this is a digital analog model. Go to Open File at the top, then click on the file icon at the left to import the STL file. If there is an error in your model, the software is going to fix that. Then click Layout at the top and choose the honeycomb icon on the left. It'll create a honeycomb pattern on the bottom of the model and provide additional support. I highly recommend adding these instead of the traditional supports where they would break off later. Click Slice at the top. Before you print, go to the printer and select the type of resin you're going to use. Because my resin has been sitting for a while, I'm going to mix it a few times. After that, print your model. Once the printing is finished, wipe off any excess resin so you don't spill any while transferring to the washer. Turn sleep mode off if the washer is sleeping. Carefully transfer the plate from the printer to the washer. We are going to select Cut and Wash. And choose the type of resin in the washer. I am going to select DM12. Wash time will be selected based on the resin. The washer is going to automatically cut the model off the build plate, and then it'll wash it. After wash, completely dry the model by using a paper towel or air gun. Any alcohol left on the model before curing will discolor it. Select the resin on the curing unit. Again, I am selecting DM12. After the curing is complete, I'm going to insert the digital analog in the model. Push it down completely with an abutment you are going to use. Then tighten the analog while pushing it down with an abutment. You should be able to use any abutments for testing. If you have any questions, please contact our digital team with the information found in the description below. Thank you.